If your Android phone is not charging or your charger keeps disconnecting, it's usually because your charging port has hidden dust and lint compressed on the bottom of the port, making it harder for your charger to connect properly. When your charger connection is good, the charger kind of snaps into place and the connection is nice and snug. If you don't hear a snap or the cable unplugs easily, your port is probably full of lint. The lint is hard or often impossible to see. You'll want to use something like a wooden toothpick to carefully pick and scoop it out. Don't use anything metallic or conductive. You don't want to short the terminals inside your charging port. It's also smart to turn off your phone prior to doing this. When cleaning the port, you'll want to be gentle. Don't force it, don't push too hard, and be cautious about the connector in the middle. You don't want to push or twist that. The lint is usually packed in layers, and there might be more than you'd expect. Keep picking and scooping until you get most of it out. This phone is pretty new and my charging port doesn't have much in it. But I've done this previously with different phones, and if you keep your phone in a pocket, you're guaranteed to get compressed lint in your charging port. I usually need to do this once every year or two. Once you get most of the lint out, you should feel your charger plug in more firmly. You might not be able to get 100% of the lint out, and that's not even necessary. Just get the biggest chunks out and your charger should not disconnect anymore. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.